Yep. Well, that was something.
Fucking stupid.
So I didn't actually fall, the bike died.
Really?
The bike just died. I hit the front brake.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, I'm good. And then I just started sliding backwards. And I got a lot of speed actually. And then I flew off and I was like, fuck, I'm gonna get mauled by the bike. So I just like try to roll myself down the hill.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was actually, would not have happened if the bike hadn't killed.
Yeah. Fuck,
But so you just lost speed, or? I guess this came out of nowhere, right?
Well, sort of. The thing is, that was too high for second gear. And I actually thought I was in first gear.
Oh, okay.
I do not have those gears down. I wish there was an indicator.
Yeah.
I did not realize I was in second gear.
Yeah.
And then it was just too much for second gear.
Yeah.
I was almost flipping backwards.
Really?
Right? If I gave enough gas to keep momentum in second,
it would just flip.
I felt the bike go upwards, right? So
Yeah.
I was up on my front wheel over that edge.
Yeah.
I'm like, fuck, this is not going good.
Yeah.
I mean, I should have just taken this track. Instead I hit that, which bounced my front wheel up, right?
Yeah.
You got
I didn't, and also my problem was I was trying to film you. I didn't realize this was this high, so I was way too close, right?
Yeah.
And so I couldn't see shit.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, man, I'm so glad I didn't get crushed by the bike. That would have broken something.
I know, yeah.
Okay, well,